Hello guys, so welcome back to Cosmos Airdrop. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer your token from your Trust Wallet into your bank, into your Binance and other cryptocurrency exchange wallet. First of all, you should know that this Trust Wallet is actually divided into two, which is the huge funding wallet and the lower funding wallet. The huge funding wallet comprises of all these bigger cryptocurrency wallets that are actually recognized, while the lower funding wallets are also the big or lower cryptocurrency that are partially or not recognized. Example of the big funding wallet is the Ethereum, the BTC, the Bitcoin, the Doge, and other cryptocurrencies that you know. So the lower funding wallet is actually this Ethereum that you're seeing right here, this EVMOS that you see right here, this AVAX, Cosmos, etc. So all these are the lower funding wallets. So I'm going to show you actually how you can transfer from a big funding wallet to a small funding wallet, and from a small funding wallet to a bigger funding wallet, and how you can transfer it into your bank, into your Trust Wallet, which is the other funding wallet, and into your Binance. So guys, before I continue, if you actually like what I'm doing here, I would like you to go straight and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on that notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to go into the description of this video that you are seeing right here and join our Telegram family. So this family comprises of different information you'll be needing day to day. Now let's go to the BTC. As you can see, the BTC is actually a huge funding wallet, and if you want to, you can actually sell this BTC. You can actually transfer it to your Binance to sell, and you can actually also transfer it to other funding wallets. Only what you need is actually your gas fee. So let's check this out. For you to actually sell off BTC is on the only thing that you need to do to sell BTC directly is actually to click on sell. It is going to take you to a site that you can actually sell off your BTC depending on the country that you are. All you need to do is to input the amount of BTC that you want. Click on it. It's actually going to sell your BTC direct to your bank. Now that is actually the first way that you can sell your BTC into your bank. Now the second way for you to sell it into your Binance is actually by copying your face. So what you need to do is to actually copy it and paste it on the Binance. So I'm going to be doing that practical right away. So for you to actually sell your BTC into your Binance, all you need to do is to copy this right here and head straight to your Binance. When you get to your Binance, all you need to do is to go straight to your wallet, click on deposit. So when you click on deposit, all you need to do is to search on the cryptocurrency that you are actually depositing. So if you want to deposit, let's just say the Bitcoin. So all you need to do is to click on it and copy the Bitcoin address right away. So we have actually so this is the Bitcoin address. So all you need to do is to copy it. So once you are done copying this address, all we need to do is to go straight on the BTC on our Trust Wallet. So this is actually the BTC on our Trust Wallet. So all we need to do is to click on it and click on send. So all you need to do is to input the Bitcoin address, which is from our Binance. So once you input this Bitcoin address, you are going to click on the maximum amount of Bitcoin that you have, or the amount of Bitcoin that you actually want to transfer. Then click on the next. So it is going to take all the whole processes and done. So you are going to be receiving this Bitcoin from this Trust Wallet into your Binance. So that is the second way for you to transfer cryptocurrency from your Trust Wallet into your Binance. Now another way for you to actually sell your cryptocurrency off into your Binance is by actually transferring it to other funding wallets. So you can actually do this by also copying and repeating the same procedure that I did right away. So let's talk about the lower funding wallet. So the lower funding wallet example is what we call this Ethereum right away. As you can see, you cannot actually sell it directly, you cannot actually swap it, but all you need to do is to actually copy it from this funding wallet into other funding wallet. So you can actually copy it into your Binance, you can actually copy it into other cryptocurrency wallets like this, but you cannot actually sell it directly into your bank. So unlike other cryptocurrency wallets such as these TROs that you can actually swap. So for example, what I mean by swapping is, let's just go to BTC. So example, if you have that cryptocurrency that you cannot actually transfer into your bank, which is the lower funding wallet, all you need to do is to click on swap. So you are actually going to choose a blockchain that is similar to it. Example, if you want to swap from Bitcoin to Ethereum, all you need to do is to input the amount of Bitcoin that you actually have. It's going to show you the watts in Ethereum, then you can actually swap it. So let's go to a lower wallet. Example, okay, look at this USTD. You can't actually swap this USTD. Let's go for a minimum wallet. So look at this BNB. You can actually swap this BNB. So let's check it out. So swap BNB and swap to Binance chain. So let's actually go to swap BNB. So when you want to swap BNB, you are going to select which chain that you actually swap it to. So you can actually select those lower funding wallets here and transfer your BNB directly into this lower funding wallet. And moreover, if you want to transfer from your lower funding wallet direct to your BNB, all you need to do is to switch places. So this is how you can actually sell off your lower funding wallet. So guys, before I will continue, I would like you to also remember to like this video that you are watching right now. Make sure that you click on the notification bell, and if you actually have any question or any misplacement of my information, I would like you to ask it down in the comment section, where I'll be answering all the whole question, guys.